My name is A. Krishnamohan. I am the Managing Director of Southern Travels. So Southern Travels is a 40 years old company established in 1970 by my father at New Delhi. So today we have branches in Delhi, Hyderabad, Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, Bombay, Chennai and Bangalore. And we are also running an overseas restaurant in Durban, South Africa for the last 11 years. Today, the company is run by the professional team. We have MBAs working with us, we have MCAs, we have MTAs, who have done their masters in tourism department. So we got this National Tourism Award for the last 3 years continuously from Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. So the recent award was given by Dr. Hamid Ansari at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. So this is the second time we are getting from the state government. Today we bring thousands of people from other states to Andhra Pradesh to visit the various places like Tirupati, Ramoji Film City, the Chennai, Hyderabad city sightseeing, and religious places like Annavaram and Bhadrachalam and those kind of places. So, the overall, Southern Travel serves more than 150,000 tourists throughout the year. All over the India, we provide packages like Shimla, Kulu Manali, Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri, Yamunotri, Amarnath, Kailash Manasarovar, Allahabad, Varanasi. Then we have Jaipur, Agra. Then we have deep Rajasthan to Udaipur, Jaisalmer, Bikaner. So we cover the entire India rather. So I would also like to mention about my online packages. We also have a very interactive website which has got more than 250 pages. Covering all the information about various destinations in India. The URL is www.southerntravels.india.com. Primarily it's a domestic company, and we have also now recently ventured into outbound packages. So domestic we have packages to we have more than 81 packages covering the entire country. Then one can book their tickets by selecting their own seats through our website, which is again covered by a payment gateway. And we have the tie-up with the net banking. More than 20 banks are covered. Primarily it's from Telugu people basically. Tied up with various hotels in all the places. Now, for example, in Jaipur we have tied up with a 5-star hotel. So we provide 5-star accommodation to our passengers. Those who are going in by coaches. We have the latest model Volvo coaches. And we have also designed some packages for the Commonwealth crowd. Now we have Commonwealth Games starting from 3rd October in New Delhi. So we are expecting a lot of people visiting from Andhra Pradesh, from Telugu places to Delhi. The company turnover is around 39 crores. So I would like to give a message, there's a lot of hype regarding this Commonwealth game that, the accommodation will not be available, don't come to Delhi. But my appeal and request to all the people Telugu people here, see, a lot of accommodation is available in Delhi. Please do come visit. It's a national event. It's a rare event. It's a rather honor to our country to have Commonwealth Games in our country. So I once again request all the Andhra people Telugu people to come and visit these Commonwealth Games in Northern India, in Delhi.